Okay, recording the start. Okay. Assalamualaikum and a very good day. My name is ZULKHAIRI ISKANDAR bin ZULKEPLI. Matrix number B09191026. Group member LING B0919109294. No AFIFAH BINTI ADNAN B09191088 and Muhammad SHAZMIM bin AHMAD FIRAL B0919101006. Okay.
Okay, this is organization chart that we have 4 team members. The first is ZULKHAIRI ISKANDAR as ergonomic engineer, Li Penshi as assistant engineer, Nur AFIFAH binti ADNAN assistant engineer, and I Muhammad SHAZMIM bin Ahmad FIRAL is assistant engineer number 3. Okay, next.
So our project had choose 3 different posture to study, which are driver posture, passenger posture, and open and closed start lead posture. So we choose these 3 different ergonomic posture to study because this is the most common posture that occur in this situation. Especially for the driver, if the driver seat is unsatisfactory, the driver performance may drop and can lead to fatigue and other issues, which also result in accident for both the driver and the passenger. This ergonomic and seating comfort need to be focused on the car interior design process, which the main reason are the suburbanization of the cities, the increase of traffic jam, growing business and leisure travel. This situation, as such, people are spending more time in their cars. So in result, this ergonomic study important to give to measure the comfortness to ensure that we give better comfort to the user. And so this slide is about the posture of the driver and next slide. So in this slide, it's about the posture of driver and passenger. The figure shows the position when we are standing and sitting. So this posture stress is a result of gravitational force acting on the body and force required by muscle activity, which to maintain any posture. And the study also had said that the pressure in the spine was 40% higher in sitting than standing position, which when changing from standing to seated posture, backward rotation of the pelvis flatlands, the curve of the lumbar spine, and change in shape. So the common discomfort has had reported by posture of driver and passenger are lower back pain, sore shoulders, stiff neck, finger cramp, and foot cramp. And all this discomfort is caused by the shape of the vehicle's seat that is not ergonomically for certain people, which result in put pressure on selected part of the legs and back and others. Next slide. So for posture of open and closed trunk lead is also the main focus in our project to discuss about the posture, which the problem that had occurred in this posture is it is inconvenient to open the trunk lid when the hand is full, and some of the driver or the passenger unable to reach the trunk lid or the trunk lid also too heavy and dirty to pull down. Okay, that's all. I'm passing to the next presenter.
Alright, I will present about the project objective. Our first objective is to investigate the 3 ergonomic postures of men in 2-segment cars. Second is to evaluate the ergonomic risk assessment on 2-segment cars by using REBA method. And the third one is to analyze the result of REBA method in 2-segment cars. Next slide. So the project methodology, the method that is used in the project is rapid entire body assessment. REBA is the generally and widely used tools for the posture analysis in the industry. This ergonomic assessment tool employs a systematic procedure to evaluate full body postural, muscular, skeletal disorder, and risk linked with job tasks. FIRAL is intended to be a quick tool. However, the final score is a relative score of risk, not an absolute score of risk. Most important asset in this assessment is the observer eyes for prediction. This tool is easy to understand and can be accurate when proper observations are made. Next slide. Next, okay, this is our REBA worksheets. So we have to fill in the score according to the instructions given. So for the neck, trunk, and leg analysis, we have to evaluate all this score through the table A, and while the arm and wrist analysis is evaluated by using the table B. So the final score is obtained from the table C. So if the final score is 1, that means that the posture is negligible risk. If the score is 2 to 3, it's low risk and the change may be needed. And if the score of 4 to 7 is medium risk, further investigation and implement change soon. And the score of 8 to 10 high risk is high risk, investigate and implemented change. And the last score is 11, above is a very high risk and implement is needed. Next slide. So this is our steps to carry out the REBA. So the first one is to observe the given task. Second is select the posture of assessment. Third is score the posture. Fourth is process the score. And fifth, establish the REBA score. And the final is confirm the action level with respect to the urgency for control measures. Next slide. So this is the type of cars that we are used for our ergonomic projects. Next slide. That's all from my presentations. Thank you.
So as for the analysis and result, so as you can see from what we've gathered, so from these two cars on the driver's seat posture, for the Proton Vira, the result for driver posture in Proton Vira using REBA scoring is 4, which is medium risk. This is due to the seat bolted to the flooring is actually raised up from factory due to the flooring that they made on the car itself. And as for the BMW, the scoring is 1, which is negligible risk. This is because the flooring of the car is lower and the seat height adjustment is variable from the scissor mechanism itself. And for the result analysis on the passenger, the result for passenger on Proton Vira scoring is 4, which is medium risk. It's also because of the same reasons. And as for the BMW, it's also 4. This is due to the height adjustment was not set to default. It's actually slightly higher, so that's caused the sitting position to be at a medium risk. And as for the trunk lid, both cars scored the same as well, which is 3. This is low risk, but there's one upper hand on the Proton Vira is slightly better. It's due to the angle of our body when we lift up the trunk lid and when we grip to close. For the BMW is that the head has a slight extension is due to the headroom. Despite it's not too far to grip, but because the angle of the trunk lid itself that caused the body posture to be slightly out from the normal standing position.
Okay, for conclusion, that we conclude with the driver and passenger seat is ergonomically designed according to the contour of human body, which in case could lead decrease in comfort level and increase in discomfort level. And second, improper design of driver seat of car lead to various injuries. A good driving position and correct posture is vital for the efficient practice driving in order to avoid various injuries. Third, head and neck are the sensitive part of body. Head restraint should be designed so that it could provide necessary support to head and neck, which could further decrease the chance of injuries. Lastly, the design of the trunk lead also ergonomically designed, which is easy to reach and open. Okay, thank you.